Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and today we're going to talk about stitching straight. And I know all of us have a little trouble with that from time to time, or maybe it's a real problem for you, or maybe you want to teach somebody else how to quilt. I did this with my 10-year-old granddaughter, and it worked amazing. We were putting together a quilt, and I couldn't believe how straight she stitched. And then we got away from it, didn't get back to it for a couple of months, and she couldn't stitch straight anymore. So it's worth repeating if you notice you're having trouble with it. But what you want to get is just an ordinary lined sheet of paper. Take the thread out of your machine, and then you're just going to feed it in and stitch on the lines. So you can see, you can probably see it better on the other side. So I stitched on that line, and it bears doing it more than once, doing it a number of times, because then you get the hang of what you need to do in order to guide it. Like as I was stitching this, I found I needed to work with my left hand more to keep it guided straight. So you'll see what you need to do to make it work with you, for you, and with your machine. And I just wanted to show you this. My granddaughter didn't know how to drop the feed dog, so she was true free motion, but this is what she came up with. And I was so proud of her. It was so cute. I've saved it all these years. She's 18 now, just started college, but she did this when she was 10 years old after we'd been practicing. Thank you.